You've probably got a bottle of olive oil in your kitchen right now that could dramatically improve how you feel tomorrow morning. Not by eating it, but by applying it to specific spots on your body before bed. I know that sounds strange, but stick with me for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to share is based on centuries of Mediterranean tradition that modern science is finally validating. I'm Dr. Laura Bennett, and I'm going to show you exactly where to apply olive oil for maximum benefit, why this works so incredibly well for men over 50, and how to combine it with other natural oils for even better results. This isn't some new age nonsense. This is about improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and yes, enhancing performance in ways that might surprise you. Let's get into it. Let's start with an interesting observation. Men in Greece, Italy, and Spain have significantly lower rates of erectile dysfunction and better testosterone levels well into their 70s compared to American men. Diet plays a role, sure, but there's something else they've been doing for generations that we've completely overlooked, using olive oil externally as medicine. In traditional Mediterranean medicine, olive oil wasn't just food. It was rubbed on sore muscles, massaged into the scalp for vitality, and yes, applied to intimate areas for maintaining male vigor. These weren't superstitions. These people observed real results over centuries and passed the knowledge down. Here's what's happening when you apply olive oil to your skin. Unlike many oils, olive oil has a unique molecular structure that allows it to penetrate deep into tissues. It contains compounds like squalene and oleic acid that your skin recognizes and readily absorbs. Once absorbed, these compounds improve local blood flow, reduce inflammation, and even support hormone production. The vitamin E in olive oil is particularly important. When applied topically, it improves circulation and protects blood vessels from oxidative damage. For men over 50 dealing with reduced blood flow, this can make a significant difference in how things function. The first place to apply olive oil is your lower abdomen, specifically the area between your navel and pubic bone. This might seem random, but there's solid reasoning behind it. This area sits directly over major blood vessels that supply your pelvic region, including the internal iliac arteries that branch off to supply blood to your penis. When you massage olive oil here, you're improving circulation to these crucial vessels. The massage action, combined with the oil's properties, helps dilate these vessels and improve blood flow. Here's how to do it properly. Warm about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil between your hands. Cold oil on your belly isn't pleasant. Using both hands, start at your navel and massage in clockwise circles, gradually working your way down to just above your pubic bone. Use firm but comfortable pressure, like kneading bread dough. Do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. The clockwise direction isn't arbitrary. It follows the natural flow of your digestive system and helps stimulate the vagus nerve, which plays a role in arousal and relaxation. Many men report feeling a warming sensation that spreads throughout their pelvis, which is increased blood flow you're actually feeling. This area also contains important acupressure points. In traditional Chinese medicine, the point about 3 finger widths below your navel is called the Sea of Energy and is believed to enhance vitality and sexual function. Whether you believe in energy meridians or not, the improved circulation from massage is measurable and real. The second area that most men completely ignore is the inner thighs, specifically the area from about mid-thigh up to where your leg meets your groin. This area is rich with blood vessels and lymph nodes that directly affect pelvic health. The femoral artery, one of the largest in your body, runs through this area. When circulation here is poor, it affects everything downstream, including erectile function. Massaging this area with olive oil helps improve overall blood flow to your entire pelvic region. Take another tablespoon of warm olive oil and massage each inner thigh for about 2 minutes. Start at the knee and work your way up using long, firm strokes toward your groin. This direction is important. You're helping push blood and lymph fluid back toward your core. Don't be shy about getting close to your groin area. That's where the most important vessels are. Many men carry tension in their inner thigh muscles without realizing it. Years of sitting, stress, and poor posture create chronic tightness here that restricts blood flow. The olive oil massage helps release this tension, while the oil's anti-inflammatory compounds reduce any tissue irritation. You might notice this area is surprisingly sensitive or even ticklish at first. That's actually a sign of poor circulation and nerve sensitivity issues. With regular massage, this sensitivity normalizes as circulation improves. Now we're getting to the area that can have the most dramatic effects, but that most men have never even considered: the perineum, that spot between your scrotum and anus. I know this might feel awkward to discuss, but this area is absolutely crucial for male health and performance. The perineum contains the root of the penis, major blood vessels, important nerves, and connections to the prostate. In many healing traditions, this area is considered the most important point for male vitality. Modern physical therapists now use perineal massage for treating erectile dysfunction and chronic pelvic pain. Using about a teaspoon of warm olive oil, gently massage this area with your fingertips using small circular motions. You don't need heavy pressure. This is sensitive tissue. About 1 to 2 minutes is sufficient. You're looking for gentle stimulation that improves blood flow without causing discomfort. What makes olive oil particularly effective here is its antimicrobial properties. This area can harbor bacteria that cause inflammation and irritation. The natural compounds in olive oil help maintain healthy skin, while the massage improves circulation to the prostate and erectile tissues. Many men report that this single technique has more impact than anything else they've tried. It's particularly effective for men who sit for long periods, as sitting compresses this area and restricts blood flow. The fourth area is your lower back, specifically the area just above your tailbone and extending up about 6 inches. This might seem unrelated to sexual function, but it's actually critical. Your lower back contains nerves that directly control erectile function and sensation. The lumbar and sacral nerve plexuses that originate here send signals to your penis, controlling everything from arousal to orgasm. When this area is tight or inflamed, those nerve signals don't transmit properly. Have your partner help with this one if possible, or do your best to reach it yourself. Using 2 tablespoons of warm olive oil, massage this area with firm, circular motions for about 5 minutes. Pay special attention to any spots that feel particularly tight or tender. These are often areas where nerve compression is occurring. The warmth and anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil help relax the muscles and fascia in this area, potentially decompressing nerves that have been impinged for years. Many men report not just improved sexual function, but also reduced back pain and better sleep after regularly massaging this area. This last one might surprise you, but the soles of your feet contain reflex points that correspond to every organ and system in your body, including your reproductive system. The arch of your foot in particular has reflex points linked to your adrenal glands and reproductive organs. Before bed, sit comfortably and massage each foot with olive oil for about 3 minutes. Pay special attention to the arch in the area just below the ball of your foot. Use your thumbs to apply firm pressure, working out any tender spots you find. This isn't just reflexology theory. Massaging your feet improves overall circulation, reduces stress, and activates your parasympathetic nervous system. All of these contribute to better hormone production and sexual function. Plus, it feels amazing and helps you sleep better, which is when your body produces most of its testosterone. While extra virgin olive oil alone is powerful, you can enhance its effects by adding specific essential oils. Here's my recommended blend. Start with 4 ounces of extra virgin olive oil as your base. Add 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, which improves circulation and has been shown to support testosterone production. Add 5 drops of peppermint oil, which creates a warming sensation and increases blood flow. Add 5 drops of sandalwood oil, traditionally used for male reproductive health and proven to support hormonal balance. Mix these thoroughly in a dark glass bottle. The essential oils enhance penetration and add their own therapeutic properties. Rosemary in particular has been studied for its ability to improve circulation and even support hair growth when applied topically, indicating its effects on blood flow. Some men prefer adding black seed oil to their olive oil. Mix 3 parts olive oil with 1 part black seed oil for a combination that's particularly effective for inflammation and circulation. Black seed oil contains thymoquinone, which has been shown to support testosterone production and improve erectile function. Another powerful addition is castor oil. Mix equal parts olive oil and castor oil for deeper penetration and enhanced circulation. Castor oil has unique properties that allow it to penetrate deeper into tissues than almost any other oil. This combination is particularly effective for the lower abdomen and lower back massage. Here's how to put all of this together into an effective nighttime routine that takes about 15 to 20 minutes total. Start about an hour before bed. Take a warm shower to open your pores and relax your muscles. This also cleans your skin, allowing better oil absorption. Begin with the lower abdomen massage. 3 to 5 minutes with clockwise circles using warm olive oil or your enhanced blend. Focused on relaxing and breathing deeply during this. Move to your inner thighs. 2 minutes per leg with upward strokes toward your groin. This often feels surprisingly good once you get used to it. Next, the perineum. 1 to 2 minutes of gentle circular massage. This might feel awkward at first, but it becomes routine quickly. If you can reach or have help, do your lower back. 5 minutes of firm but comfortable massage. If you can't reach, using a foam roller with oil on your back can help. Finish with your feet. 3 minutes per foot, focusing on the arch and any tender spots. This is incredibly relaxing and sets you up for good sleep. After applying all the oil, don't immediately wipe it off. Let it absorb for at least 20 minutes. You can put on old pajamas or underwear that you don't mind getting oily. The oil continues working while you sleep. Let's talk honestly about timeline and results, because unrealistic expectations lead to giving up too soon. First night, you'll probably sleep better. The massage and oil are relaxing, and many men report deeper sleep immediately. You might notice you feel warmer, which is improved circulation. First week, morning erections might become more frequent or firmer. This is often the first sign that circulation is improving. Energy levels during the day often improve due to better sleep. Weeks 2 to 3, this is when most men notice significant changes. Erections become more reliable, sensation improves, and overall energy is noticeably better. The anti-inflammatory effects are cumulative, so consistency matters. Month 2, by now, if you've been consistent, the improvements should be obvious. Better performance, improved stamina, and often benefits you weren't expecting, like reduced back pain or better prostate health. 6 months, this is when men report feeling fundamentally different. It's not just sexual function, it's overall vitality, flexibility, and well-being. The combination of improved circulation, reduced inflammation, and better sleep creates a positive cascade of health benefits. Some men experience skin irritation initially, especially if they're not used to oils. Start with less oil and shorter massage times, building up gradually. If you have very sensitive skin, do a patch test first. Apply a small amount to your inner arm and wait 24 hours. If you find the oil too messy, you're probably using too much. A little goes a long way. You want enough to allow smooth massage, but not so much that you're dripping. About a tablespoon per large area is usually sufficient. Some guys worry about staining sheets or clothes. Keep a designated set of old sheets for nights when you do this routine, or put a towel down. The benefits far outweigh the minor inconvenience. If you're not seeing results after a month, you might not be using enough pressure during massage or not being consistent. This needs to be done at least 3 to 4 times per week to see significant benefits. Daily is ideal if you can manage it. You might wonder why not just take supplements instead. Here's why. Topical application of olive oil has unique advantages. First, you're bypassing the digestive system entirely. Many men over 50 have compromised digestion that prevents proper nutrient absorption. When you apply oils topically, you're delivering beneficial compounds directly where they're needed. Second, the massage component is crucial. No supplement can replicate the circulation-boosting, tension-releasing effects of physical massage. The mechanical stimulation of tissues is therapeutic in itself. Third, you're treating locally where the problems often are. Tight muscles, compressed nerves, poor local circulation. These are physical issues that need physical intervention. Oil massage addresses these directly. Fourth, there are no side effects. Unlike many supplements or medications, olive oil massage has no negative side effects when done properly. The worst that can happen is slightly oily skin. This olive oil protocol isn't just about sexual function, though that's certainly a benefit. It's about taking time each night to care for your body in a way that most men never do. It's about improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and maintaining flexibility and function as you age. Think about how much time and money we spend maintaining our cars, our homes, our yards. Yet most men spend zero time on body maintenance beyond basic hygiene. This protocol changes that, giving you a simple, effective way to maintain and improve your physical function. The psychological benefits are real too. Taking 20 minutes each night to care for yourself, to physically relax and improve your body, has mental health benefits. Many men report reduced anxiety, better mood, and improved self-image. Your partner may notice changes before you do, not just in sexual function, but in your overall demeanor. When you feel better physically, it shows in everything you do. Here's what I want you to try. For the next 30 days, commit to this olive oil protocol at least 4 nights per week. Get a good quality extra virgin olive oil, organic if possible. Set aside 20 minutes before bed. Start with just the lower abdomen and inner thigh massage if the full protocol seems too much. Keep notes on how you feel, energy levels, sleep quality, morning erections, any changes in performance. Also note unexpected benefits. Many men report improvements they weren't even looking for. After 30 days, assess whether this is worth continuing. Most men are convinced by then, but you need to experience it yourself to believe it. Remember, this isn't about becoming 25 again. It's about optimizing what you have now, maintaining function as you age, and feeling vital and confident. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. If this information helped you, share it with other men who might benefit. These conversations need to happen more openly. Drop a comment about your experience if you try this protocol. And remember, your body is remarkably responsive to the right care. Sometimes it just needs a little olive oil and attention to remind you what it's capable of.